Bassheads, what's good? Welcome to another video. I'm going to show you a tried and true etude that you can use as a warm-up. This is a really good daily sort of, have some coffee, sip, get your fingers warm, and get some fretboard familiarity as well. I think that everything should be compound movements after a while, where you should be learning, a technique or working on a technique, a rhythm, fretboard visualization, all those things all at the same time. So I'm going to show you this, and you can get a PDF of this below, but it's pretty easy to do from memory as well. But you can get the PDF free link below. So check this out. I'm going to use the standard, tried and true major scale shape that a lot of people learn first. There's multiple ways to play the major scale. This is the one we're going to use today. Okay? So that's the first thing. Now, I want you to notice when I'm doing this, it's not an issue of speed. Speed. I'm not playing fast. I'm just playing deliberately up and down the scale. Now, here's this tried and true exercise. It's thirds. Okay, since I know that shape is movable, the next key in the circle, and I've done other videos about this, it's great. Let me just show you the exercise and what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk it out as I do it. I'm going to play this going up in thirds. Down. Next key is F. Maintaining the same shape. B flat. E flat. Flat, G flat, B, I didn't want to talk too much while I was doing that, but I'm not using a metronome because the time is internalized, and I'm really not trying to be metronomically sound. I know where I am in musical time, so that's not the skill that I'm working on right now. I'm warming my hands up. I'm working on, or not working on, but I'm I'm paying attention to my technique, my muting, my hand placement. But I'm really getting finger independence. I'm getting all this stuff just kind of warmed up. Also, when I call out C, my first finger, since I'm maintaining this shape, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, B, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, C, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, B, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, C. I'm reinforcing where those notes are on the neck, right? If I see it, if I see it, C, F, B flat, E flat. If I take the opportunity to say the note, if I take the opportunity to say the note when I see the note, while I'm doing something else, I think that then you don't have to have a bunch of separate exercises to, teach you where the notes are. And, whatever works for you, people learn in different ways. But I think if you should take the time to say the note when you see the note. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Let me know if this video, if you found it helpful. Down below is where you can hit that subscribe button, the like button, and all that good stuff for the algorithm. Up there somewhere is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Down below that is a video or playlist that I think you ought to check out. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.